Kids TV. Subscribe. It's cleanup time, cleanup time. Everybody clean up time. Pick up toys from the floor. Put them back where they belong. Clean up, clean up.
Let's clean up. Okay, toys in the bins. This is fun. All
Clap your
done.
hands. 1, 2, 3. Clean up time for you and me. Blocks and cars, dolls and
Let's build a
bears,
tall tower.
books and
Okay,
balls
I'll get the yellow one.
everywhere.
Yay, it's getting bigger.
Drop them in, clean and tidy. Let's begin. Clean up, nice and neat. Make our room look super sweet. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. Clean up time for you and me. Clean up time for you and me. Clean up time for you and me. Bend down low, reach up high. We can do it, give it a try. Big kids, small kids, everyone. Cleaning up is so much fun. Clean up, books in line. Wow, our room looks just fine. Take a bow, smile so wide. Look at what we did with pride. Clean up, all done now. We did it, take
Hi
the
friends,
bow.
ready for a surprise?
Yes, we love surprises. Wow, what's inside?